This is Lavish from fitdesh.com. I hope every single one of you watching is fine and staying at home. Without taking much of your time, I would like to highlight a few points which are important for one's physical transformation, but these points generally remain ignored. I know all of you are intelligent people and most of you must have done researches on your own, but these are the points which are apart from the science involved and are important for one's physical transformation. So the first one is having patience. We all know that the people we admire, the physiques that we admire, all those actors, bodybuilders, celebrities, models, and we also know that the time it has taken for them to have those kind of physiques, years and years and years. So don't ever have that attitude where you think that your transformation is a game of 3 or 6 months. Exceptions are always there. Number 2 is being coachable. Very important. Now, if you trace back to history, to the period of Mahabharata or Ramayana till now, the best performers, the most powerful performers were those who always surrendered to their coaches and respected their orders. Respected the orders of the coaches with sincerity. Number 3 is avoiding comparisons. See, every human body has its own uniqueness. Every human body responds differently to the plans. Now, comparisons bring negativity. Success is for sure, but if you start getting into comparisons, success keeps going far away from you. Number 4 is self-analyzation and self-evaluation. Always, every week, you should self-analyze and evaluate whether that you're keeping up with the plans, and if there is a gap, you need to identify it so that you can fulfill upon it. Number 5 is taking regular feedbacks from your coaches or mentors. Now, regular feedbacks are important. Rather, working on those feedbacks is important to eliminate the gap in performance. Proper communication with your coaches and taking regular feedbacks from them brings effectiveness to your training programs. Last but not the least is, please stay away from negative people. Stay away from the people who let you down. Stay away from the people who invalidate you. Stay away from people who invalidate other people. Always follow creative people. Always follow positive people. Always follow people who bring the best out of you. So that's it, folks. Thank you for giving your time and attention and watching me again. And I urge you to stay safe. Don't unnecessarily step out of your homes unless it is very important. So once again, thanks for watching.